Hi everyone, this is Jeremy Tallman with T&H Realty Service, and in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about our eviction protection plan. Now, if you've been a landlord for a little bit or just deciding to become a landlord for the first time, you have to understand that evictions can happen. If you do this long enough, over a few years or whatever the case, you're likely going to have an eviction. What we find is a lot of times people may be very qualified when they apply for a property, but maybe 6 months, a year, 2 years into the lease, for whatever reason, they lose their job, they go through a divorce, they get a sickness, whatever the case, and sometimes a very highly qualified tenant all of a sudden is not qualified, and that eviction has to occur. Now, as you can probably guess, or you probably already know, evictions can be very expensive. The cost alone can range from $1,000 to $2,000 or even much more, depending on the type of eviction that you go through. Now, at T&H Realty Services, our eviction protection plan is set up to help mitigate some of the costs involved in an eviction. Now, if you signed up for the premium management plan, then the eviction protection is included at no extra fee. If you don't want to sign up for the premium plan, you can actually add the eviction protection for a monthly fee if you'd like to do that. So you're eligible for the program if a tenant that we placed has to be evicted. Now, we inherit a lot of tenants from different management companies, from different owners. So if one of those tenants that we inherit has to be evicted, you would not be covered under the plan. So if you enroll into the eviction protection plan, there's several things that we will cover during the eviction at our cost. First, there's the eviction filing fee. Okay, and so it'll be sent off to an attorney, and there's a fee involved in actually filing the eviction, and we're going to cover that for you. We pay for the attorney's time to make that filing. Any court costs associated with the eviction will be covered by us. And then we'll also, if we need to represent or be present at the hearing for the eviction, then we're going to cover that time for no cost as well. So generally all costs, upfront costs required to get that eviction going and to actually evict that person are generally covered under the eviction protection plan. Now, unfortunately, during the eviction process, there could be some additional costs that would not be covered under the eviction protection plan. A few of those could be a forced move. So if we're given possession of the property at the eviction hearing and the tenant still fails to move, and we have to hire a moving company and a locksmith, then you would have to pay for that. That would not be covered in the eviction protection plan. Now, that is a very rare occurrence, but it can happen in extreme circumstances. Also not covered is any property damage or lost rents that occur during the eviction. And then finally, if you want to go ahead and pursue a damages hearing against that tenant, then all attorney's fees, you'd be subject to those as well. If you have any questions about the eviction protection plan, please don't hesitate to contact us, and thanks for watching.